Hello, fam. Welcome to this update. Um, we're bringing to you MemeFi airdrop that's gonna be listed on the 9th of October. I mean, there were a lot of speculation that if Memphis was to be listed on the 9th of October, I mean, why are top exchanges are not saying anything, not making posts about MemeFi and all of that? So, but right now, if you launch the MemeFi interface, you see the Binance logo. Yeah, you see the Binance logo here. You see the Binance logo here. And if you click on it, you see MemeFi X Binance campaign in huge prices we trust. They're going to be listed on Binance in 2 days, 18 hours, 50 minutes at the time of me making this video. So MemeFi is on Binance and it has created a lot of doubts. Now, how do you qualify for this airdrop? I I have no doubt that this airdrop will cook. I have no doubt, though I jumped in very late, but I have no doubt that this airdrop is gonna cook. Maybe it's a big project. It's giving out a lot of uh, giveaways. You see these Lambos, a lot of giveaways with real Lambo and 3 days in Dubai. A lot of this promo speeding giveaways. I mean, they're already spending about $30,000 a day. So I'm really not casting that doubt that MemeFi will not cook. Um, I believe strongly. See, a lot of people winning. You know, I I really believe. I'm of the opinion that this will be one of the best airdrop that miners will earn huge price. Um, you know, so right now the dust has been cleared because it's been listed on Binance. You can see a lot of people that were winning the giveaways, spinning giveaways. A whole lot of people. And this happens every day. Happens every day. That's something about 29,636.42 dollars in giveaways every day. So why wouldn't they reward their miners? Or I believe that MemeFi will cook. Meanwhile, if you are jumping in early like I did, so you have an opportunity to make daily ton transaction and earn 25 million coins and plus 500 spin. All right, watch me do this. Let's try this and see. I'm gonna use my Telegram ton space wallet to conduct the transaction. I have full confidence in MemeFi, of course. Um, with what they are doing, throwing money everywhere, I am sure that money is not their problem. They've stated that they're gonna be giving the community the whole 100%. No vesting, they're sending the whole 100% allocation to the miners. All right, we are here 0.2 ton. Okay, let's click confirm. We put our wallet passcode and let's wait and see. Yes, back to MemeFi. The transaction has been confirmed. It's processing here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's wait and see. I'm quite very sure that this airdrop will be big on the 9th. I just want to be proven wrong on the TGE, you know. So let's just yes, success. Your transaction went through. The purchase has gone through and you've received the item. Thank you for your contribution. So click on return. Yeah, you can see my balance has increased. My speed also has also increased from 500 to 1,000. So this is one of the fastest ways to um increase your coin balance and your your MemeFi coins. And that's what they're after right now. Coin balance and your MemeFi coins. You know. So what do you need to do to qualify for this airdrop? First, go to wallet, click on Ethereum. You can see I've funded my wallet already with about $4. They took about this thing for gas fee. Click on Ethereum, click on deposit, then copy this address, your wallet address, go to Bybit, fund your Bybit, then send Ethereum on that linear network to that address, and then your wallet will be funded. That's the first criteria. What you have to do, secondly, for your snapshot to be captured is come to this three dot up here, click on it, click on settings, come to data connection consent towards the down and toggle it on. See, I've already toggled mine on. So you have to do that. It's very important. Very important. The next thing is to clear this end. See this end here? See all these tasks. Clear all of these tasks. Go in. A lot of tasks. A whole lot of tasks. Go in. Clear all of them. I will do that. Before the TGE. Before the snapshot, I will do that. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to use the boosters. As you can see, I've already used my boosters. So that will mind for you so that the interface will not think that you're a bot. Use the boosters, and then anyhow you want to push your coin balance up, and then your level, increase your level. So see, I'm on level 80, but I can get to level 15. I'll be so happy. I know I want to accumulate more spin, more of this spinner so that I can spin it and then move my level and move my coin balance upward. So let's just be optimistic about MemeFi. I believe that it's gonna cook. Any further update you can see it's gonna be listed in Binance. Listed on Binance in about 2 days. So we have about very few days to just push your coin balance, push your level, and then be qualified for this airdrop. Do everything to qualify for this airdrop because this could be the best airdrop ever. Hamster failed us, Rocket Rabbit failed us, Pixelverse failed us. So hopefully MemeFi, but what they are doing, they've given the clarification that they're gonna cook. All right, we see you in the next update. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be bringing daily updates, important updates to you every day. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.